Ever wondered what makes Turin, Italy a must-visit destination? Welcome to the hidden gem of Italy, Turin. Nestled at the foot of the majestic Alps, Turin is a city that showcases a blend of rich history, vibrant culture, and mouth-watering cuisine. Imagine a place where the old meets the new, where grand palaces and ancient museums stand tall amidst contemporary art and innovative gastronomy. That's Turin for you. If you are a history buff, the city's deep-rooted heritage will captivate you. For the culture enthusiast, Turin's bustling art scene and lively festivals will keep you entertained. And if you are a food lover, the city's famous chocolate and coffee houses will delight your taste buds. The charm of Turin lies not just in its picturesque landscapes and architectural marvels, but also in its warm, welcoming people. Turin is an experience, a feeling, a story waiting to be discovered. Stay tuned to discover the top 10 things you should do in Turin. Starting at number 10, we have the Mole Antonelliana. This architectural masterpiece is more than just a beautiful sight, it's a symbol of Turin's cultural heritage. Originally conceived as a synagogue in the late 19th century, the Mole Antonelliana has weathered the sands of time, outliving its original purpose and transforming into a beacon of creativity and inspiration. Its soaring spire reaching towards the heavens has watched over Turin for over a century, becoming an iconic part of the city's skyline. But the Mole Antonelliana isn't just about the exterior, it's what lies within that truly sets it apart. Today, it houses the National Cinema Museum, a nod to Italy's rich cinematic history. Here you can journey through the evolution of film, discovering the magic that brought stories to life on the silver screen. From early animation techniques to the modern blockbusters, it's all here under one magnificent roof. You certainly won't regret spending time here. Next up at number 9 we have the Egyptian Museum. This treasure trove of a museum holds the honor of being the second most important Egyptian museum outside of Cairo. Picture this, a labyrinth of rooms filled with over 30,000 artifacts that transport you back to the time of the pharaohs. From monumental statues to tiny amulets, the museum showcases the rich and vibrant history of the ancient Egyptians. Of special note is the tomb of Ka and Merit, an exceptional display of a tomb from the New Kingdom era, complete with its original funerary furnishings. Also, don't miss the Papyrus of the Book of the Dead, an intricate roadmap for the afterlife, if you will, penned by the ancient Egyptians. Each artifact, each exhibit is a testament to a civilization that was far ahead of its time. A visit to Turin wouldn't be complete without exploring this museum. At number 8, don't miss out on Turin's gastronomy. Delight your senses with the city's delectable cuisine. Turin is renowned for its rich culinary traditions, offering you a gastronomic journey through the flavors of northern Italy. Start with the famous dishes like vitello tonnato, veal with a creamy tuna sauce, or agnolotti, bite-sized pasta pockets filled with meat or vegetables. Turin is also the birthplace of solid chocolate, so a visit to one of the city's chocolate shops is a must. Sink your teeth into a piece of gianduioto, a smooth blend of chocolate and hazelnut, and you'll understand why it's a local favorite. And what's a meal without a glass of good wine? The Piedmont region is home to some of the country's best wines, including the robust Barolo and the sweet Moscato d'Asti. Finally, round off your culinary exploration with a sip of Turin's excellent coffee at a historic cafe. Your taste buds will thank you. At number 7 is the Royal Palace. Dating back to the 16th century, this majestic structure stands as a symbol of Turin's regal history. Once the royal residence of the House of Savoy, Italy's former ruling monarchy, it now houses a museum that pays tribute to the city's rich past. The palace's architectural grandeur is a testament to the artistic sensibilities of the time. Not to be outdone, the expansive palace gardens with their meticulously manicured lawns and exotic flora offer a serene retreat from the bustling city life. One of the palace's most intriguing features is the armory. Housing one of the world's most extensive collections of arms and armor, it showcases pieces from different periods, each telling a unique tale of courage and chivalry. This palace is not just a building, it's a journey back in time, a tribute to the grandeur of the past, and a testament to Turin's royal past. Number 6 takes us outdoors to Valentino Park. This expansive green haven is nestled along the Po River, providing stunning water views that are a sight for sore eyes. The park is a beloved spot for locals and visitors alike, offering a breath of fresh air amidst the hustle and bustle of city life. Venture further into the park and you'll find the meticulously maintained botanical gardens. These gardens are home to a myriad of plant species, a testament to the rich biodiversity of the region. It's like stepping into a living, breathing encyclopedia of flora. A unique highlight of Valentino Park is the medieval village, Borgo Medievale. This charming replica of a 15th century Piedmontese village transports you back in time, offering a glimpse of the region's rich history and cultural heritage. Whether you're seeking tranquility, a dose of nature, or a journey into the past, Valentino Park has it all. This park is a perfect spot for some relaxation. At number 5, we have the National Automobile Museum. This impressive museum showcases Turin's rich automotive history, which is deeply intertwined with Italy's industrial past. From humble beginnings to the sleek, high-performance vehicles we know today, the museum houses a collection of over 200 cars spanning more than a century. As you wander through the halls, you'll encounter iconic models, each telling a unique story of design and innovation. The museum is not just about cars, it's about the people who built them, the drivers who drove them, and the society that embraced them. The heart of the Italian automotive industry beats in Turin, home to Fiat and other renowned car manufacturers. This museum is a testament to that legacy. It's a journey through time, a celebration of mechanical beauty and engineering ingenuity. Whether you're a dedicated gearhead or just appreciate a good story, you'll find something to captivate you here. Car enthusiasts will absolutely love this place. Number 4 brings us to Turin's bustling markets. A city within a city, a world within a world, where the vibrant pulse of Turin truly comes alive. Among the most notable is the Porta Palazzo market, known as the largest open-air market in all of Europe. The market is a cornucopia of colors and scents, brimming with fresh fruits, vegetables, cheeses and meats from local farms. But it's not just about food. Venture further and you'll find stalls selling everything from clothing and accessories to household items and antiques. Every corner of Porta Palazzo tells a story, every vendor has a tale to share. The market is a testament to Turin's diverse culture, offering a plethora of goods that cater to every taste and preference. Whether you're a foodie seeking the freshest ingredients, a fashion enthusiast hunting for unique finds, or simply a curious traveler, these markets are a shopper's paradise. Coming in at number 3 is the Cathedral of St. John the Baptist. This magnificent cathedral holds a special place in the hearts of many, not just for its awe-inspiring architecture, but also for the sacred artifact it houses, the Shroud of Turin. This ancient linen cloth, believed by some to bear the imprint of Jesus Christ, draws numerous pilgrims and visitors every year, making this cathedral a hub of spiritual energy. The cathedral's architecture is a testament to Turin's rich historical tapestry. Built in the late 15th century, it is a perfect example of Renaissance architecture. With its meticulous design and striking features, the cathedral's facade, featuring a beautiful rose window and 3 elegant portals, is a sight to behold. Inside, the high ceilings, intricate frescoes and grand altars offer a sense of tranquility and reverence. This cathedral is a must-visit for its historical and spiritual importance. So, if you find yourself in Turin, make sure to step inside and feel the history seep into your soul. Number 2 on our list is the National Museum of Cinema. A treasure trove of cinematic wonders, this museum is a must-visit for all film enthusiasts. Nestled within the iconic Mole Antonelliana, the museum offers an immersive journey through the history of film. From magic lanterns to modern projectors, you'll find a wealth of interactive exhibits that tell the story of cinema in an engaging and fascinating way. But the museum is not just about the exhibits. It also offers a stunning panoramic view from the top of the Mole Antonelliana. Ascend the glass lift and you'll be rewarded with a breathtaking view of Turin's cityscape. It's a sight that's as mesmerizing as the silver screen itself, and a perfect end to your cinematic adventure in the museum. So, whether you're a die-hard cinephile or just someone who enjoys a good flick, the National Museum of Cinema is a must-visit in Turin. Movie lovers, this is your mecca. And finally, at number 1, we have the Piazza Castello. This bustling square is the beating heart of Turin, a vibrant plaza that pulses with life day in and day out. It's more than just a meeting place, it's the city's core, where its past, present, and future converge. Surrounding the square, you'll find a stunning array of architecture that tells the story of Turin's rich history. Palatial buildings stand side by side with modern structures, creating a fascinating blend of old and new. Among these, the Royal Palace and the Palazzo Madama are the true showstoppers, their grandeur a testament to Turin's regal past. The Piazza Castello is also a hub of activity, hosting a slew of events throughout the year. From bustling markets to vibrant festivals, there's always something happening here. It's a place where the city's energy and spirit come alive, a testament to Turin's enduring charm and vitality. This piazza is truly the epitome of Turin. And there you have it, the top 10 things to do in Turin. From the soaring heights of the Mole Antonelliana, to the ancient artifacts of the Egyptian Museum, and the elegant grandeur of the Royal Palace, Turin truly does have something for everyone. Let's not forget the irresistible allure of Turin's gastronomy, where you can indulge in mouth-watering local delicacies. Take a leisurely stroll in the verdant Valentino Park, or explore the fascinating world of automobiles at the National Automobile Museum. Discover the bustling atmosphere of Turin's markets, step into the spiritual serenity of the Cathedral of St. John the Baptist, and immerse yourself in the magic of cinema at the National Museum of Cinema. Finally, soak in the vibrant life and culture of the city at the Piazza Castello. Turin, a city of many faces, is waiting for you to uncover its treasures. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel tips. Until next time, happy travels.